A super empath is an empath who has all the qualities of a regular empath but has done a lot of healing work to connect with their authentic self, know their worth, build strong boundaries, and recognize the dark side of humanity. They are rightly called a narcissist kryptonite, but why? Let's find out in this episode. Hi, I am Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. In this episode, we will know 5 ways a super empath destroys a narcissist's false self. If that is what you want to learn more about, make sure you subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and push that bell icon to stay updated with everything latest that I put over here. Let's dive in. Number 1, they do not fall for the narcissist's facade. A super empath will not only see through a narcissist's facade but also feel the emptiness beneath the surface. They will see the weakling the narcissist tries to hide by putting on the facade of their false self. They will immediately sense that there is something wrong with the narcissist's perception of self, people, and the world. They will see through the grandiosity, arrogance, and entitlement. They have this felt sense and accurate reading of what is going on in the narcissist's mind and body, which does not let the narcissist manipulate them in any way, shape, or form. If a narcissist tries to get under their skin, the super empath will see this coming from a mile away and will quickly put a stop to it. They don't fall for the narcissist's fake charisma, mirroring, or future faking, and they find it quite nauseating and unhealthy. Number 2, they can easily spot a narcissist. A narcissist can fake everything as much as they want to, but would not be able to escape the super empath's narcissist detection radar. They sniff inauthenticity, dishonesty, and fakery from miles away and can immediately tell if things aren't real because of their extrasensory perception. A super empath's deep awareness of self and the environment helps them pick cues that inform their decision-making process, and they see things for what they are and not what the narcissist wants them to believe. The narcissist may mimic their feelings, but as a super empath, they will be repulsed by the inhumanness and predatory nature of the narcissist. A super empath knows that genuine empathy is warm and comforting, not cold, situational, selective, and distorted like a narcissist's version of it. Super empaths can quickly discern intentions and see through thousands of masks, exposing the narcissist before the narcissist reveals their true nature. Number 3, they set solid boundaries with no loopholes or gray areas. A super empath will always be clear with the people in their life about what they are and what they aren't willing to accept. They value their peace and have a strong sense of self-concept. They know how worthy they are, and their worth and esteem aren't the function of anyone else's treatment. If someone tries to manipulate them into doing something they do not want to do, they will sense this, won't give the person the benefit of the doubt, and will set firm boundaries immediately. They won't hesitate to say no, which is what a narcissist cannot tolerate. A narcissist has to have everything their way, and they have to have control over everything. But a super empath would not tolerate these transgressions or violations. They call the narcissist out, and if they do not stop, the super empath cuts them off without a second thought. Before we move to number 4, I'm curious to know if you can resonate with any of these traits, if you have done anything like this with a narcissist. If yes, drop your experiences in the comments below. If not, also share what you're doing to become a healed empath. Number 4, they can shatter the narcissist's ego. Super empaths have high emotional intelligence. They can see past the narcissist's masks and see their fragility. They know what aggravates the narcissist the most, and if the need arises, they become direct and effective when calling out the narcissist on their BS. Through their righteous rage, grounded powerfulness, and radical honesty, they can annihilate a narcissist's false self and shatter it into pieces, causing irreversible damage to the narcissist. Unlike a narcissist, an angry and an aware empath isn't reactive, impulsive, or abusive. They are decisive and know what they want, why they want it, and how to get it strategically. They do not attack the narcissist to get supply because they don't need any form of supply. They fight the narcissist like a warrior of light who is guided by the universe and their intact moral compass and values. Their truth outshines a narcissist's dark lies, making them the narcissist's kryptonite. Number 5. They deflect the narcissist's projections. The favorite trick of a narcissist is to project their insecurities and inadequacies onto other people. It is a distraction from how they truly feel about themselves. However, the super empath can quickly understand what is going on, as they have a strong sense of self and know their worth and what they stand for. This is the reason why projection does not work on them. They deflect and do not react. They know that these projections aren't their truth. They see through the projections like you would see through a window when the narcissist tries their best to make it their mirror. They firmly hold on to the reality that they have created for themselves and know that the narcissist has no true foundation to define someone's reality. They do not know who they truly are, so how can they define someone else? How can they talk about who someone else is? A super empath finds a narcissist's accusations amusing because they know the allegations are the confessions of the true nature of the narcissist. That's all for today's episode. If you liked it, please make sure to let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, share this video, and also make sure to subscribe as well to learn more about narcissism. I'll talk with you in the next one. Till then, let the healing begin.